So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to get the prefab of the cat animated slightly. It's not a huge amount of animation, but it's a good start. I'm also going to go through some debugging, and debugging is really important. In this particular tutorial, I hit a lot of problems that you're probably going to face as well with augmented reality, especially with AR Core being in beta at the moment. Beta usually means that things aren't quite working as well as they could, but it's really useful to be able to have a go at something when it's in beta. You get it before everyone else, which is brilliant, which is the pro of it, and this is definitely worth giving a go even with the problems. So I'm going to show you how I overcome those problems. I'm going to leave all of the errors in here, which means the video is a little longer than it should be, but to compensate for that, I've left the project, a link to the project, all the code. You can download that below for free via just the Dropbox link below in the description of the video. So check that out, or of course follow along as well. You might get different errors because of course this is a beta version, so some of the errors just pop up and some of them don't, depending on whenever Unity feels like it. Okay, and of course, thank you to the people who have supporting the channel, leaving a comment. I appreciate the support and the encouragement. It's really nice to see that. And of course, thank you to everyone who's downloading the beta of Colossal Quest as well. Well done as well for getting that early before everyone else, while the price has been reduced. If you're still missing out and you have a Daydream enabled phone, then you should probably check that out now before the price goes up when the game is released. And of course, let me know if you play it. I'd love to know. Drop me an email and give me your feedback, or leave a comment below. Okay, so anyway, let's jump straight into the tutorial now. In our last tutorial, we managed to get the cat on the screen when you were pointing your phone, obviously at a flat surface, and you tapped. And that worked out okay, but now we want to add in some animations. So first of all, let's take a look at this model that we have, this asset that we downloaded in the last tutorial. We had a demo scene, and it's always a good idea to have a look at the demo scene. I've actually already looked at that. I'd advise you to take a quick look. In fact, you know what, why don't we do that together? I think this is probably a good idea. Sometimes you'll find in a demo scene it really shows you the full extent of how you can use the particular asset you downloaded, and that's incredibly helpful, because a lot of the times you might not even know all the cool things you can do. So what we're going to do now is unload our original scene. We're not going to remove it. We could remove it, but we'll just unload it for now, because we want to run this script. We want to run this scene without the Hello AR scene running as well. So let's hit play and let's take a look at how that looks when it's running. There we have the cat. But we've got walking, we've got looking left and right with the tail wag, and we've got running as well, which is okay. It's for now, this is great actually for what we need, for what we're looking to do. So let's stop this. Let's take a look at the cat light itself.